Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing today? I hope you guys are doing fine. So today's video I will be doing DIY coily custard. So in there I have a shea butter. Now I'm going to be adding 2 spoons of olive oil. So to my returning subscribers, you are welcome. Thank you so much for coming to watch today's video. And if you are just coming across my video on YouTube, thank you also for clicking, and please don't forget to subscribe before the end of this video, and also remember to turn on your post notification. In that way you will not miss out of any of my new video. So now I have both shea butter and olive oil inside my bowl. Now I'm just going to put it inside hot water so that shea butter can melt and turn into a liquid oil. So you can put it inside hot water, don't cook it. So I'm just going to allow that to melt into a liquid oil. So you can use any butter that you have, shea butter, cocoa butter, mango butter, but I just want to use this shea butter for this hair custard. So guys, now that this is melt, I'm going to put it inside the fridge for about 30 to 45 to 1 hour, 1 hour, so that it's going to be solidified. When it's solid, I will take it out and I will use my hand mixer to mix it, mix. So guys, now I'm going to add 1 spoon of black castor oil. So black castor oil is good for our hair growth. It's good to grow your hair. It's good to seal in moisture. So it's a heavy oil, so use it as a silly oil. So it's also good to promote hair growth. So I'm just going to mix everything together now. Then I'm going to put it inside the freezer for it to solid. So now you can see my oil I've turned into a solid butter. So I'm going to use my hand mixer to mix it and turn it into a creamy butter. So I'm just going to continue mixing it. Just be patient while doing this DIY. Just be patient so that you will get the perfect result. So I will just continue to mix that to turn into a creamy butter. So guys, now this is how the creamy butter is looking like. I don't even know what to call. This is how it's looking like now. So it's not a creamy butter, it's not a butter, it's no longer oil. So because of the hand mixer that I used to mix it, just make sure that you mix it very well so that it will be good for your health. Guys, just look at how beautiful and creamy this look. This is the consistency that you should go for while doing this DIY. So guys, now I'm going to add my aloe vera. This is about 1 spoon of aloe vera gel. So it should not be too much than 1 spoon or 2 spoons, because it's water, so that everything can mix together very well, because this is mixing oil and water together is not going to be easy. So you don't need too much of aloe vera. So now I'm just going to be mixing this together. Then let's see how it turned out. Don't be tired, keep mixing, so don't give up, keep mixing because it must turn out well. Oh. So guys, now I'm going to add my flaxseed gel. As you can see, my flaxseed gel is very thick, so if you want to do this, make sure that your flaxseed gel is thick, it's not watering, because if it's watering, you are not going to get that perfect result that you want. So if you want to get that perfect result, just make sure that um your flaxseed gel is thick, like it's very thick, not watering, so that you can mix it with the oil. As you can see how it's turning out to be now, because it's thick, that's why it's mixing very well with the oil. Flaxseed is rich in vitamin E. Vitamin E is a great source of our hair growth. It contributes a lot to our hair, even our skin and our body. Promotes hair growth, which help to prevent hair loss, which helps to prevent itchy scalp. Aloe vera is a great moisturizer, which condition and moisturize our hair, which help to promote hair growth, which help to condition our hair, our dry hair. So guys, this DIY is going to be a very great product for my hair. So I'm just going to continue to mix this now. Just mix it to the perfect consistency that you are looking for. So guys, now I'm going to add the last ingredients, which is honey. I'm going to add 1 spoon of organic honey to this DIY. So after adding it, I'm going to also mix everything together. So honey is also good for our hair. Honey helps to to lock in shine to our hair. If your hair is down, your hair is not shining, just try to do a honey hair mask. It's going to help to keep your hair shiny. It's going to keep that luster shine into your hair. It's going to help you to lock in shine, lock in moisture, and also help to grow healthy hair. So after adding the honey, I'm going to mix to the perfect consistency that I will be I'm looking for. So guys, you can see how this turned out to be. Just be patient while doing it, because it's kind of tricky, because mixing water with with oil is not really easy. But when you make sure that your flaxseed gel is not watering, everything is going to come out perfectly well. So guys, now let's check and see how this our DIY is looking like, how it's turning out to be. So if you don't have hand mixer, guys, you can also use your hand blender for this. It's going to also come out the same way. So guys, now this is the perfect consistency that I am looking for. So you can see how creamy and beautiful it looks. So you can store this in a container and put it in the fridge for further use. For anytime you want to use it, just store it in the fridge. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I appreciate your time, and I will see you all in my next